Hello, I'm back with a new creation, a Labyrinthine puzzle box made from Lego. So here it is, and it's just blue and green, and it's just made from regular Lego bricks, or yeah, just like that. See, the bottom is, and the top is also. And it's just green and blue. I think I already said that, but yep, it's green and blue. And I have my directions to it, but I don't need them really because I memorized the path. And it says follow this path right there. There's 4 steps. So there's that, and here's the marble. So let's get down to it. Oh wait, before I start, this is my camera stand I built for my camcorder. It fits perfectly on there. So here we go. Get the marble. Up that way. Down, up, down, back, and I got the marble out right there. So there we go. Puzzle box I made. It's pretty cool. Okay, bye.